A crisp apple, a handful of almonds, and a pint of blueberries all have one thing in common. They probably got here because of a bee. And according to researchers, their pollination is worth $15 billion to the U.S. agriculture industry each year. But over the past decade, bees have been dying at an alarming rate, and nobody knows why. So here's the situation. Researchers began tracking bees in 2006. Since then, beekeepers have reported losing an average of 30% of their bees in the winters. For a rough reference, beekeepers estimate that before 2007, the rate was 15%. What's more, today, beekeepers are losing bees in the summer when bees should be thriving. In the past 2 years, summer losses have been equal to or greater than winter losses, and annual losses reached 44% in 2015. But what do these losses actually affect? Let's take a look at almonds. California produces 80% of the world's almonds. To pollinate almond trees, farmers rent beehives. 30% of all hive rentals in the U.S. go to almond orchards. From 1995 to 2010, the price of hive rentals tripled. Half of that cost increase can be attributed to the loss of bees. Environmentalists are pointing the finger squarely on a class of pesticides called neonicotinoids, but companies say the insecticides are unfairly targeted, and ensuing studies have drawn conflicting conclusions. One thing scientists agree on, however, are that multiple factors are stressing bees out, including chemical-resistant parasitic mites, bee viruses, and poor nutrition. Now here's the argument. On one side of the fence are those who oppose pesticide restriction. They say that the loss of bees has not significantly affected the price of food. They argue bans will reduce crop yields and point to the European Union, which recently restricted some neonicotinoids in an effort to save bees. Farmers in the UK saw their rapeseed harvest fall 15% last year. On the other side are those who see industrial farming directly contributing to the plight of the honeybee. They advocate for fewer pesticides and for measures like more crop rotation to improve bee nutrition and get colonies back on track.